Good morning, Kasturians. So today we have to study the basic properties of EM waves. Okay, and this topic is from chapter number 8, which is EM waves. Okay, now let us start. So the first property of EM waves is that we already know. देखो EM waves कैसे प्रोड्यूस होती हैं? They are produced by charges which are in motion. Okay, or you can say they are produced by accelerated charges. Okay, and उनके propagation के लिए they do not need any medium for their propagation. Okay, so this is the first property of EM waves. Now let us discuss the second property of EM waves. Second property क्या होती है? देखो, when we are talking about EM waves, we must have seen this kind of figure. This is for electric field vector and this is for magnetic field vector. Okay, so and this is the direction and we can represent it as n cap. This is electric field vector and this is magnetic field. So we can see that in EM waves, electric field vector and the magnetic field vector, they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, and both these electric field vector and magnetic field vector, they are perpendicular to the direction of their propagation. Okay, so we can say that EM waves, they are transverse in nature. Okay, now what is the third property of them? EM waves, the third property is electric field and magnetic field, they are in the same phase. Okay, so how we can write electric field? We can write as E is equals to E naught sine omega t minus kx. Okay, so this is the phase of electric field. How we can write the phase for magnetic field? B is equals to B naught sine again omega t minus kx. This will be the phase for the magnetic field. So you can see both these phases are same, so they will be in same phase. Electric field vector and magnetic field vector, they both will be in the same phase. Now the third property is EM waves, they travel in the free space with same speed. Okay, same speed means they travel with the speed of light. Okay, what is the speed of light? That is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, है ना? And if this EM wave is traveling in the medium, so what will be its velocity? Its velocity in medium becomes C by N. And what is N here? N is refractive index, and C you already know is speed of light in vacuum, and N is the refractive index of the medium in which now the wave is traveling. Okay, so in the medium, speed of the wave will become C divided by N, and N is refractive index. Now what will be, देखो द रेशियो ऑफ, देखो यहाँ पे वी हैव सीन E इज इक्वल्स टू E नोट साइन ओमेगा टी माइनस के एक्स. सेम वे वी हैव सीन द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑल्सो. नाउ द व्हाट इज दिस इज द एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड दिस इज एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. द रेशियो ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड टू द रेशियो ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. So this ratio is a constant, and what is that constant? That constant is C, that is speed of light. Okay, now देखो अब इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन्वॉल्व है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इन्वॉल्व है, so there will be some energy associated with the electric field and the magnetic field that will also be involved. So the energy which is in the magnetic field की energy stored in the magnetic field कितना होता है? It is 1/2 epsilon naught E square. Energy stored in the magnetic field is 1 divided by 2 B naught square divided by 2 mu square, 2 mu naught, sorry, it is the magnetic energy. Now अब हमारे पास टोटल एनर्जी कितनी होगी? टोटल एनर्जी विल बी UE plus UB. U is electrical energy stored in the you can say the energy stored in the electric field, energy stored in the magnetic field, and what will be the sum? It will be 2 outside, 1/2 outside epsilon naught E naught square plus B naught square divided by mu naught. It will be the total energy. Now what will be the momentum of these EM waves? It will be U divided by C, और U क्या है यहाँ पे? U is the energy and C is the, what is C? C is the speed of light. Okay, so you can say these energy, or you can say the EM waves, they carry the information, और ठीक है, they carry linear momentum किसके साथ? With the speed of light. So we can say that these EM waves, they transport linear momentum. Okay, जो ये EM waves है, they travel with the speed of light and they travel some linear momentum, और उस linear momentum की value क्या है? That is energy of the EM waves divided by the C. Okay, now let us discuss the next point, which is EM waves. These waves are not deflected by the electric field or magnetic field. Okay, when these EM waves, they are placed under the influence of electric field and the magnetic field, they are deflected by none of the fields. Okay, so this was also one of the properties of EM waves. Okay, so that's all for today. Other parts we will be discussing in the next class. Okay, thank you.